Alright, I got the WODETREE bathroom storage cabinet. I've done one of these before. These things are kind of cool. They're small and compact, and they fit in your bathroom, and small tight spaces will hold extra storage, toilet paper and supplies underneath, and they also act as a toilet paper dispenser. Now this was given to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. But I'm going to open this up and assemble it for you, show you what it looks like, show you how big it is, and I'll get you a picture of it in my bathroom. Let's see where we go with this. Bubble wrap, very nice. Got a couple of handles, a little screwdriver for you, a hook, and looks like all the pieces are lettered actually. Kind of looks like simulated wood. The cool thing is they're all numbered. So we'll get this stuff all out on the table. Looks like they gave us a pretty easy to use set of instructions here. Color coded. All these accessories are labeled on the back here, what you're going to get. And each of these have a different top on them, so they're not exactly all the same, even though they might look like it. The top might be different. So let's get started. Fast forward. Okay, while this video is running, this thing's pretty easy to install. You just put it together like a jigsaw puzzle, and the only thing you have to worry about are some of these pieces have holes in them that act as hinges for the doors. So just make sure those line up to where the doors are supposed to go. And then when you get one side put together, just take the small screws, screw them in, and you flip it over, but hold on to the bottom. And when you flip it over, just put the screws in there and you're basically done. You put the knobs on the doors and that's it, you're done. Simple as that. The small screws is all you need. The large screws are for mounting it on the wall. All right, I've been filming the whole time, so you won't see it all, but it took me 15 minutes to get to this point, and that includes the talking I did at the beginning of this video. So here it is. Pretty simple to put together with these instructions. You know, you'll find that things won't fit together if you've got these pieces wrong, and you'll see it and you'll adjust. There's a couple little slots where these things go in. So this is where you put a toilet paper roll in right here. These handles just screw on. You've got some storage right there. You've got some storage right here for extra toilet paper. Comes with a hook. You can hook on here if you want to hook a towel or something on there. I'm sorry, hook's on here like this. And there's a mounting screw in the back. And I'm assuming that's what these larger screws are for right here, to mount it onto the wall if you wanted to. But let's get a measurement on this real quick. See how tall it is? It is 6 1/4 inches wide, and it is 31 inches tall. Pretty cool looking. It kind of looks like it's faux wood. All right, so here's a shot of it in the bathroom right here, and you can see we've got enough storage space down there for a couple of cleaning agents. You can store 2 rolls of toilet paper in here, and a roll of toilet paper pulls out here. I'm going to suggest that you do the toilet paper come from underneath, because it pulls a little better, and you can see that pulls out just fine. And if you want to replace it, you just put it up here. Little towel hanging off the side. Doesn't take up much room at all. You can see it next to a bathtub here to give you an idea of the size of it. So if you're strapped for space and you're looking for an affordable toilet paper dispenser / storage cabinet for your bathroom, check out the WODETREE storage cabinet. Check it out.